Hey, we have a Samsung dryer. It's no heat. Uh, we will take apart and check one by one and see what's wrong with it. So to do that, first thing first, we need to, definitely we need to unplug it, and we need to unscrew these two, and once we do that, just gonna push back. You can put underneath something. Since I'm gonna paint it, so the washer is ready. I need to paint that one anyway. I just put that one, but you can put something underneath, some blanket to prevent. So once we're done, then we remove these three. So lift it up just like that. Then we need to disconnect these two, and once we're done, we can set this one here for now. And so right here we need to take these are off, but before, so we need to remove these two. I bought this one yesterday morning, and so the filter is gone somehow, so I need to put one on this. So once we're done with those two, then we can go this way, take it off. It's come off really quick. So just be gentle, be careful. So these parts gonna break really quick, so we're just gonna put it to the side. Once we're done, there's one here and one right there. Unscrew. Alrighty. So disconnect these off. This wiring. And same thing, we can put this one to the side. So we disconnect this sensor. So we need to remove these four. Then this one connected to the blower fan. Then we can able remove the front bulk panel. Ready. Okay. All right. So we are now take these four and one connected this one to the blower fan. So we able to remove the front bulk. Okay. Same thing, we can put it to the side. And we now able to remove the drum. So to do that, we can reach with the left hand to the pulley. So once we reach it, we can pull it to the left. So with the one hand to the left, then we can release belt from uh, drive motor. Just like that. Sometimes it's stuck. So, okay. Make sure it's and that's a good one. So we do have a. I see something. So those are not right. Somehow they put it, and we will check. Once you do appliances, you will get a lot of surprise like this. People just put any fuse, and let's see. So I'm gonna replace this one, put the right fuse on him, and everything else should be fine. Then we will go with test. So you can see these are not the right part. I will replace both of them. I'm just impatient about the heat element. This one look like LG. No, it is a Samsung. So I'm going to replace these two, and we will see. And something between those blower need to be clean, which is I will definitely do that. Something inside, I will clean those two, put those fuse back, and we will go run for test and see how it works. So most of the time when they do repair by themselves and they keep looking online, I face with this, with a different heat element, different fuse, and when they saw something similar, they thought they're gonna be fit, and that's how is out after few loads and weeks. That's what we are here to replace. I'm gonna put the right part on them and see how it works. And thank you. Already. So we have our fuse ready. Now it's time to take those one and replace it. To do that, you need flat screwdriver. Forehead screwdriver. Remove these. So and that's fine. The way I explain you will get surprised all of the time. The way they put okay. So this is anyhow. Okay, so we can put this one. Put it back. If you do this one for the first time, just make sure take a picture before you take it off. before you put the new one, so then you don't need to get confused or so. Once we're done with that one, we can disconnect it. Okay. Then the last one. So we can okay. This is so far 2 times. Where's my magnet screwdriver? I don't know. Finally, after 2 tries, we able to. And that's the fun part of repairing. Okay. Alrighty. So we'll check him now. Alrighty, so we should be fine. And now I'm just gonna clean this one, then unplug it in, and we will test them, see the heat gonna come on or not. So in my opinion, there should be yes for sure, because those are not the right fuse they put it. And if not, then we will check the motor relay, then control panel. We will see step by step. Stay with me. So it's ready for test, and to do that we just need to get my light switch. And so you don't need to do this one, so we already plug it in. And since I'm just gonna make sure everything is run good and we are in the right spot. So okay, and people, so when I purchased this one, so in description they say they already fix them, but somehow it's work for, I believe say a couple weeks, then it's out. So and once we take this one apart, we're facing with this one. So these are not the right part anyhow, so we put it, so I'm gonna put on description the right part for this one, then so you don't need to go the same problem. So once we can start it. Okay, let's keep this one. And on. So that was the issue. The way I explained, you don't need to do that, okay? So we can turn it off. We can turn it on. We can install it. Alrighty, so always go with the right part, the way I explained. And now we're gonna go everything back, and we put everything back. So I'm just gonna unplug it and go everything reverse. Alrighty, so um, we can start it back from ground. To do that, we just start it with the same thing again. I will upload videos really soon, and to how to put the belt, the drum back. So again, so you can grab the belt, go around the pulley, and then push the pulley to the left and hook it to the drum, just like that. And once we're done with that one, then we can go with the front bolt panel. So to do that, just adjust those two legs behind the pad, the drum pad. So once you lift it up, so you're able to put it on the right place. Same thing. Then we can spin it. Make sure it's all right. Okay. We can plug this one back. We can grab our screws. So we need 4. Then this one. So there's the thing, always make sure so this part is even with that one. So if it was a gap, sometimes make a noise. So just be careful on that one. So if you put it on the right spot, so you should be fine. Then and last one. Already. So once we're done, then we need to put this one back. So we started with one end, and while we take them apart, sometimes it's these main cover or main base will get corked. That's not a big deal, so that would be normal. So we can put these two back. Once we do that, then those two goes to there. So once we get in, we can plug it back. Let's switch. Then we can put those screw back. So once we're done, then I'm gonna grab a control board, then we just hook this too and plug it in, everything back. Make sure on the right spot, just like that. Okay. These two and this one, and we almost press. So those screws with a dark gray always goes these here, so that's not anything, but it make a big difference. Means so all the screws goes here, but once a while they's gonna worn out, and this somehow is not right part. So that's a small thing. Then we can put the back, top cover, and you can reach on the back. Put these two back, and that's it. Alrighty. So that was the issue we show on the video. Thanks so much again for watching. If this video helped out, please like, comment, and subscribe, and see you next videos.